This, however, is what a very bad poultry setting looks like. Are you seeing that eggs are falling inside the place there? And it's a loss, very huge loss. But I mean, you get more than you lose, right? These are the new layers, but they're still laying. 850 are here. And these are the old layers. These are their eggs. $850 beds are here. So this is more like an ideal farm. You can see the under is clean, and eggs are coming out the way they should. So when the layers lay their eggs, it comes down and you just pick it up. So it goes down there. How many chickens are here in the farm? 1,700 and something chickens here. Awesome.